Hers is so soft. Why the heck? Yours is so
Sticky?
yeah.
Okay, work on getting that off. This is hers.
Mine's not sticky like hers.
Mine
I put a lot of
is the
activator.
same thing, but silver.
Yep.
Guess what you got in here? A piece of plastic.
Oops.
All done.
I'm still grossed.
Okay.
Oh. I'll pick that up.
I just got glitter everywhere.
I got more everywhere.
No, but I want one. Oh, wait!
Ooh, I got some nice silver, I guess.
Okay, I might sleep over at her house this weekend. Hello. My dad just came home.
From work. Father.
Okay.
I don't want I don't want a sister. From
another mister.
I don't want a brother. From another mother. Yeehaw. Why am I like James? Oops. Oh well.
Another kid in your class revealed.
Yeah. But Tira, you deleted the other one. You kept deleting them. So how are you supposed to? Never mind.
Hello, that was the one I'm using. I'm gonna use.
Here you go.
I'm gonna use no blue paint. That was a bit too much. More like 15 drops too much.
55 actually.
Yep. Now it's on my fingers. I used to have a pink one of those, but I used it so much I ran out.
How much what?
I used to have a pink one of those paints, but I used it so much.
I said
Let's play Simon Says.
Simon Says touch your nose. Simon Says touch your ears. Simon Says lick your nose. Touch your elbow. The heck you saying no? Okay, Simon Says do nothing. Simon Says hop on one foot. Yeah, she's hopping on one foot. I saw it. Simon Says. No, wait. No. Touch your nose.
No, don't touch your nose.
Cause I didn't say Simon Says. Why am I the Wiggles?
I'm just gonna fall there.
Okay, so this is what we put in our slime. I put pink and blue, but I put mostly blue, I guess. I put all the glitters, the gold, blue, purple, and then use the activator after. Ow! And then Tira got hurt. Hey, Tira, what you put in yours?
I put the blue, purple, and gold glitter, and blue paint, clear glue,
Oh yeah, I
and
forgot to say
activator.
that. I wanted to add more activator.
Yours is like hard as a rock.
Are you sure it's really stretchy? I'm gonna put your hand. Yours is so soft.
Adding more paint.
And I add a bunch of glitter.
Okay, that's pretty much it.
Bye. Like, subscribe.
And hit the bell
Bye.
for notifications and every time you post. Bye.